In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image in Google Slides a circle. This simple yet effective technique can really add a touch of professionalism to your presentations, making your images look more polished and thoughtfully designed. Whether you're creating a personal slideshow or a professional presentation, mastering this skill will certainly come in handy. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is sign into your Google Drive. It's pretty straightforward. Just type in your email and password, then click Next. This will give you access to all your Google Slides presentations. Once you've opened the presentation where your desired image is located, find that image and give it a click. This action will select the image, allowing you to manipulate it in several different ways. But for our purposes today, we're focusing on cropping it into a circle. Now look for the cropping options. You'll notice a drop-down menu right next to the crop icon at the top of your screen. Click on that. This drop-down is where you'll find various options for cropping and shaping your image, but we're looking for a very specific tool today. After clicking the drop-down, your next step is to click on Shapes. It's here that Google Slides allows you to transform your image into various shapes. But, of course, we're aiming for that perfect circle. Upon clicking Shapes, you should see several shape options. Look for the circle and click on it. This choice will instantly crop your image into a clean, crisp circle. It's really as simple as that. With these few clicks, you've successfully transformed a standard image into a visually appealing circular one, which can add a lot of aesthetic value to your slides. Here are a couple of additional tips to ensure your presentation looks its best. After cropping, you might want to adjust the position of your circular image on the slide for better composition. Also, if the image doesn't fit perfectly within the circle crop or parts of it are being cut off in a way you don't like, you can click on the image and adjust its placement within the circle. This fine-tuning can make all the difference in how professional your final presentation appears. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to make an image in Google Slides a circle. This simple technique can greatly elevate the look of your presentations, making your slides visually more interesting and engaging. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to play around with this feature to perfect your presentation skills.